Here is something that I wish I would have known when I started my affiliate marketing journey. So I had no idea. I was kind of, when you start affiliate marketing, it's kind of like a Greek language. You have no idea what it's talking about. And so you're going through this course and you're kind of confused, or maybe you got it. I don't know. I was confused and lost. One thing that I wish I would have known is understanding the benefits of ClickFunnels. So if you are just starting out and you're coming across that, oh God, you need ClickFunnels, to put your product in. Yes, you do. But I want to let you know, if you stick with ClickFunnels, I know it's $97 a month, and some people are, I was like, oh my God, that's $97 a month. And I'm like, duh, I'm trying to build a business online. But I was worried about $97 a month. If I would have stuck with that and paid the $97 a month, anybody that purchases from me and wants to promote the course, then they are going to use ClickFunnels too. And if I share my affiliate link with them, then I'm going to start earning reoccurring commissions every month. And after like 3 or 4 people, it's paid for. And everything from there on out is pure profit. I didn't know that. Did you know that?